You know.
Oh, okay, sounds good. And let me pin John. Me too. I think we start recording at the same time, but it works. Uh, Oh, he just told me he won't make the meeting. Sorry about that.
Okay, then let's just defer that then, and I guess we don't have an agenda.
Okay, do we have anything else we want to talk about?
I just have one quick thing on the issue that Ben brought up. We have somebody on our team who's actually interested in that topic as well. So I don't know if you're going to bring it up in the next working group meeting or have offline chats, but if we can get them pulled in, it's Brian Sonnenberg.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
good point. This is ambient somewhat related to, right?
Well,
Oh, not?
the core problem is that our charts are sort of not consistent within each other, which creates friction for people. What I want to do is use shared templates so that all our components, certain common things like image templating, labels, whatever, like the boilerplate stuff is the same for all of them. And we define that in one place and reuse it for all the charts. Which keeps everything nice and consistent. We've had several bugs where this chart has this label, that chart doesn't. This chart does X, that chart does Y. I want to make it consistent. That requires in Helm using shared templates, which is not that hard to do. But to get to the place where we can do that, and I think I linked the issue there. There's a couple of Helm issues, but one of the things we have to do is we have to do some cleanup work to undo some weird scoping opinions we have in the pilot and Istio CNI chart specifically. Which I don't think there's any controversy over doing. I just think it's a question of, do we do it, bit by bit, incrementally, or do we do it all at once, change them all in one shot? But look at the issues I've linked there. There's a couple of issues around doing all this, and yeah, Brian is sure. Take a look at the issues. I think I've called out the blockers to getting us to a place where we can use shared templates, which I think is most of the descoping stuff. And then it's just a question of how we do it. But yeah, I'll defer until John's here for the other stuff.
Right.
Okay, so John will be available at the ambient meeting. So we could potentially discuss it there, Justin, if it works for your team, and Ben, if you are available.
Yeah, it's not really ambient specific, but I don't mind putting it over there if that's where we need to be.
Yeah, it's kind of also related because CNI is a critical component to ambient. Yeah, but I agree. It's not only related to ambient.
Yeah, I'm happy to reach out to Brian and see if he's around and interested.
Okay, sounds good. Now, do we have any other topic we should be discussing? All right, if not, I guess we'll give everybody 15 minutes back. Thanks so much for joining. Talk soon. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Did I miss it or is nobody joining?